bro? Why make me do this, man? Why y'all make me do this?
Yeah, man. That's the way it goes. You was my bro. But now you're not even laughing at my jokes? Come on, man. You and JJ were my first friends. Now it's like I got no one, man. Maybe that's how it is. Maybe I got none. Hold on. Turn up real quick. Gonna just have her for a reason. Good shit. I still don't wanna do this. Hey bro, I told you it was coming. All talk? Yeah, I'm talking town. Yeah, shit, y'all walking there. Don't play with me, you don't make no sound.
Hey, bro, that's it. Just next time I send you TikTok, don't send me that thumbs up, bro. I hate it, bro.